Hey, what's goody in the hoodie? Today, I'm on my way to Hunts Point. I'm gonna keep this ride relatively short because Hunts Point is not too far away from me. So I'm not gonna bore you with that aspect of this video. But I will ask you to like, share, comment, and do anything you can to support the page. There is so much hidden gems in the Bronx that I never really planned out my adventures. I get up and that same day I make up my mind to where I'm going. So today just happened to be one of those days where I woke up and was like, let me just look for those abandoned trains that I came across. As I was doing some scouting for my last graffiti video, you guys can go back and check that out. The footage that I took at those train yards was so beautiful that I just chose not to narrate over it. Let the story speak for itself.